If you work with JavaScript arrays, you will see these three methods everywhere: map, filter, and reduce. But many beginners memorize them without really understanding the difference. So here's the simplest way to think about them. Map transforms, filter selects, reduce combines. In this video, we'll understand each one with clear examples. Let's use this array. Const products. This is similar to data we may get from an API. Part 1. Map. What is map? Map is used when you want to transform every item in an array and create a new array.
For example, let's get only the product names. Const product names equals products.map. Product return product.name. Console.log product names. Output laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor. We started with an array of product objects. We transformed each product into just its name. That is the main idea of map. Same number of items, different shape or value. We can write the same thing shorter. Const product names equals products product.name. Since we are returning one expression, we can use implicit return. Now let's create a new array with discounted prices. Const discounted products equals products.map. Product return product.price times 0.9. Console.log discounted products. Here we are not changing the original product directly. We are returning a new object for each product. This is very useful in front-end development, especially when working with UI data. A common mistake is forgetting to return. Const names equals products.map product.name. Console.log names. This gives undefined, 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 undefined. Because when using curly braces, you must explicitly return. Correct const names equals products.map product.name. Or const names equals products product.name.
Part 2. Filter. What is filter? Filter is used when you want to select only some items from an array. Let's get only the products that are in stock. Const available products equals products.filter product return product.instock equals true. Console.log available products. Output product ID 1, name laptop, price $1,200, in stock true. Product ID 2, name mouse, price $25, in stock true. Product ID 4, name monitor, price $300, in stock true. Filter keeps the item if the callback returns true. It removes the item if the callback returns false. Const available products equals products.filter product.instock. This works because product.instock is already a Boolean. Let's filter products under 100. Const affordable products equals products.filter product return product.price less than 100. Console.log affordable products. Output product ID 2, name mouse, price $25, in stock true. Product ID 3, name keyboard, price $75, in stock false. So again, filter does not transform each item. It chooses which item should stay.
A common mistake is returning the object itself when the condition is unclear. For example, this technically works because objects are truthy. Const result equals products.filter, product arrow product. But it does not filter anything useful. You should return a clear condition. Const result equals products.filter, product arrow product.price is less than 100. Part 3. Reduce. What is reduce? Reduce is used when you want to combine all array items into one final result. That result can be a number, a string, an object, an array, a grouped structure. The most common beginner example is calculating a total. Const total price equals products.reduce, total, product, return total plus product.price, 0. Console.log total price. Output 1600. Let's understand this. Products.reduce, total, product, return total plus product.price, 0. Total is the accumulator. It stores the results so far. Product is the current item. The 0 at the end is the initial value of the accumulator. Step by step, it works like this. Initial total equals 0. Product 1, laptop, price 1200. Total equals 0 plus 1200 equals 1200. Product 2, mouse, price 25. Total equals 1200 plus 25 equals 1225. Product 3, keyboard, price 75. Total equals 1225 plus 75 equals 1300. Product 4, monitor, price 300. Total equals 1300 plus 300 equals 1600. So the final result is 1600. Now let's count how many products are in stock. Const in-stock count equals products.reduce count product. If product.instock, return count plus 1. Otherwise, return count. 0. Console.log in stock count. 3. This combines the array into one number. Here is a more intermediate example, grouping products by stock status. Const grouped products equals products.reduce groups product. Key product.instock, in-stock, out of stock. If not groups.key, groups.key equals new array. Groups.key.push, product. Return groups. Console.log, grouped products. The result looks like this. In stock, item 1, item 2, item 4. Out of stock, item 3. This is where reduce becomes powerful. It can build more complex results. Now let's combine them. Suppose we want to get the names of products that are in stock and cost less than 500. Const result equals products.filter product in stock. .filter product price less than 500. .map product product.name. Console.log result. Output mouse monitor. This is one reason why these array methods are loved in JavaScript. They allow us to write readable data transformations. Important note about mutation. These methods return new values. They do not mutate the original array. Const names equals products.map, product goes to product.name. Console.log products, original array still exists. Console.log names, new array. But be careful. If the array contains objects and you directly modify those objects inside map, you can still mutate the objects. Bad practice. Const updated products equals products.map, product goes to product.arrow bracket, product.price equals product.price times 0.9, return product. Better. Const updated products equals products.map. Product goes to return curly brace product colon price colon product.price times 0.9 close curly brace. This creates new objects instead of mutating the existing ones. When to use each? Use map when you want to transform every item. Use filter when you want to select some items. Use reduce when you want to combine all items into one result. Examples: map products goes to product names. Filter products goes to only in-stock products. Reduce products goes to total price. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using map when you do not need the returned array. Products goes to console.log product.name. If you only want to loop and perform a side effect, for each may be more appropriate. Mistake 2. Using reduce for everything. Reduce is powerful, but sometimes map or filter is more readable. Mistake 3. Forgetting the initial value in reduce. Const total equals products.reduce, total comma product goes to return total plus product.price. This can lead to unexpected behavior because the first item becomes the initial accumulator. It is usually safer and clearer to provide an initial value. Const total equals products.reduce, total comma product goes to return total plus product.price, comma 0. Recap. Map transforms every item and returns a new array. Filter selects matching items and returns a new array. Reduce combines all items into one final result.
One simple memory trick: map equals change, filter equals choose, reduce equals combine. Here's a small challenge. How would you calculate the total amount of only the paid orders? Try it using filter and reduce.